Synthesis and purification of salicylic acid. Obtain an appropriate heat source and position it correctly. Assemble an apparatus for heating under reflux using standard taper glassware if available. Make sure the apparatus is clamped securely to a ring stand. Measure 10.0 millimoles of methyl salicylate into the boiling flask, followed by 15 ml of 6 molar sodium hydroxide and a few boiling chips. Do not add both reactants through the same funnel. If you do, a solid may plug up the funnel stem. Start water flowing in the condenser jacket. Then have the instructor check your apparatus before you begin heating. Heat the reaction mixture under reflux for 30 minutes, measuring from the time solution starts to boil. If after 30 minutes under reflux, the reaction mixture is cloudy or contains an oily upper layer, continue heating under reflux until the cloudiness disappears and the reaction mixture no longer smells like wintergreen. When the reaction is complete, remove the condenser as soon as it is cool enough to handle, otherwise the ground joints might freeze. Remove the boiling chips and transfer the reaction mixture to a beaker large enough to contain it and the sulfuric acid to be added. Slowly add 16 ml of aqueous 3 molar sulfuric acid while stirring and test the pH of the supernatant liquid at the surface, using your stirring rod and a strip of pH paper. If the pH is above 2, add enough additional sulfuric acid drop by drop to bring it down to 2. Cool the mixture in an ice water bath for about 10 minutes. Collect the salicylic acid by vacuum filtration using a small Buchner funnel and wash it on the filter with ice cold water. Purify the salicylic acid by recrystallization from boiling water. There should be no need to filter the hot solution. Collect the product by vacuum filtration, washing it with a little cold water. Dry the product to constant mass and measure its mass. Measure the melting points of the dry product and of a 1-to-1 mixture of the product with salicylic acid synthesized from benzene. In your report, try to account for any significant material loss.